Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been one hectic week. It is Thursday today when I'm filming this. It should be going up tomorrow. That is the plan. I am sweating so much right now. Not that you really need to know that, but it is so humid today, like literally just moisture in the air. Anyway, this might be the quickest video I'm ever going to film, but I'm literally packing for my flight that's in an hour and a half. It's just a domestic flight because I'm just going down to Wellington for the weekend. But yeah, I thought I would just show you what I am packing just in case you're curious. Most people probably wouldn't care for this video, so come back next week for something new and exciting. But yeah, let's jump into it. So to Wellington, I'm just taking this small backpack. It looks kind of small at the moment, but it actually expands quite big. And then the only other bag I'm taking, like bag is my camera bag, so I can put the camera that you're watching this on right now in there. And then I just have in this little pouch, I've got like a clutch, just if I go out. Well, I'm catching up with some friends, so we're probably going to go out for some drinks, so I can just take that one instead of my kind of heavier camera bag. So for clothing, I'm taking 2 tops, 2 bottoms and 1 full piece. I'm there for 2.5 days, or like roughly 3 days, like 3 nights and 2 days, whatever. So this is probably what I'm going to wear on the plane. My fave little yellow tee with a black skirt. And then I also am taking a denim skirt. I decided to take 2 skirts instead of shorts just in case I wanted to dress either up or down. And I've got another white tee. It's inside out right now, but it's just got a little graphic writing on the inside. So that's I kind of made like 2 little mini outfits. So outfit 1, outfit 2, and then this is a play suit, jumpsuit, whatever one, romper, and it's obviously quite dressy, so that is what I am planning to wear when I go out. So I want to try and see if they can fit into this tiny extra small packing cube, which is what I usually would use for my underwear and socks on a normal length trip. So reminding you that I'm going to be wearing this on the plane. So just going to roll up my skirt. I was thinking I might just put these in my bag kind of like willy-nilly, but yeah, I just thought I'd see if I could fit them into this tiny little packing cube. So it's kind of messy rolling, but that will do. And try and like squeeze that in that side. And then I just have my one t-shirt and pop that on top. There we go, everything is in there. So in the backpack, let's open her up. I'm going to be taking 2 pairs of shoes, so I'm going to put those in the bottom of the backpack first, which are for going out, but I can also kind of like walk around in them. They're not too uncomfortable because that's just a low heel. And then I've got my Birkenstock sandals, which I will probably just wear most of the time. It's summer right now, but these are like going out shoes because I don't really wear like strappy heels because that's just my thing. So I'm going to put these in my bag first, and I'm going to put them on the side actually. I was going to put them at the bottom, but since this is the light up here, I'm just going to pop them in the side of my bag. And I'm going to put the clothing in next, just next to that there. Then I've also got my laptop, so I've just got to put my laptop in the sleeve. Oh my gosh, you just have no idea. I had to close the window because there was people doing construction next door and I didn't want the sound to like interfere with this video. And sorry if you can already hear cicadas, like it's summer like I said, and they're just really loud. But I had to close the window, so it's just like building up hot air. But yeah, basically the laptop is just slotting in the back. It doesn't have a laptop sleeve per se, but it does have like quite a hard back on this. And that's why I put it in my case as well, because I do not want it to get damaged. I just have a bunch of socks and underwear. This is probably just going to go in a little plastic bag. and I'm just bringing one bra, my whatever I'm wearing right now. Okay, let's quickly continue with the tech portion. So I've got my Owner Bond Street bag here. This is a padded camera bag, and there's quite a few accessories in here that I don't really need. Rubbish as well. These are like camera lens covers for when you're not using the lenses, and like this is for the camera body. So I'm just going to leave those here because I don't need them. I just need one lens for this trip. So the camera is going to live in one side here, and then on the other side I'm going to put my chargers. So camera charger and laptop charger are going in first. Kind of, they're the bulkiest ones, and then all the wires I'm just going to like scoop up and chuck it on top. And I've got my phone charger as well. As this is just a domestic trip, I don't need to bring like an adapter or anything. This is just kind of what I need. Okay. Like, oh, and the last thing, because I'm so extra, is the attachment for my laptop and a card reader. So I might put those just in the front pouch, the front pocket. That's what I'm saying. I've got my phone. It's going in the back pocket of this. My wallet is going to rest on top of the camera when I put that in there. And then I've got a few other things that I'll just put in the backpack after. Okay, quickly moving on to toiletries. I decided to take this pouch because it's domestic flight in New Zealand. We don't have to take out the baggie and all that ridiculous stuff. So I'm just going to chuck everything basically in here. And it is going to be makeup and toiletries. So I just got this leftover like little shampoo that I had from Mexico. So that's just going to go inside. Again, a mini, like all of this stuff is just leftover stuff that I had in my drawer. I didn't go out and buy any of this, but weekends away are perfect opportunities to use up all your little consumables. So there's some toothpaste. I've got this travel toothbrush, which is that kind of design. I've got a travel hairbrush, which is my fave thing because it's so handy but so compact. I've got my eye cream. I didn't bring any face wash and stuff like that because I'm staying at a friend's house, and I figured I could probably just use hers for one day. But I do have a Moroccan oil for my hair because I'm not bringing conditioner per se. The shampoo I have is like 2-in-1 conditioner shampoo, but it's not really conditioner. And then I've just got my dry shampoo as well, the biggest thing in there. Now for makeup, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. So I like to use that. It's not the like most long wearing, even though it does say 16-hour wear. It's lying. Then I've just got some powder, which I have hit pan on. And then I've got a small eyeshadow kit. Here, eyeshadow palette, sorry, that I'm taking. I don't really wear eyeshadow every day, but it's just for when we go out. And then I've got this glittery eyeshadow stuff as well from Stila. I feel like a makeup guru right now. And some concealer. And I've got my mascara and brow pencil. This is the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit, and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Yes, I know they're dirty. I just live my life that way. I use them for the same thing every time, so why should I wash them? So this is for foundation, this is for powder, and these are for eyeshadow. Oh my god, I totally almost forgot bronzer. Actually, I changed my mind. Instead of taking this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette because it has a bronzer in it. In this little pouch as well, I've got a little rollerball perfume and a couple of rings. Let me just double check. Oh, and of course some deodorant. And that all fits in there real nicely. So yeah, this is a clutch, so that is just going to slip in the back here. And some sunglasses just in the top. And I've just got headphones for editing and that kind of thing. So yeah, that is it. I felt like the bag was really heavy, but it's actually not. So got my little backpack and this, and I'm ready to go. see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe down below. And I know this has been a bit of a rushed video, a bit of a random video, but I wanted to put something out this week and not nothing. So here we are. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye. Hi. Oh my god, this lighting is just really bad. Let me just turn around a bit like that. A bit better. Alright, this lighting is just going to have to do. Okay.